Welcome friends, how are you? In last video we studied the first part of the accounting question. In this video we will study second part of accounting question. The leading concept of this video is practical question. Now we shall start the practical questions. So let's start the second part of the accounting question. Today I will tell you the practical questions because until you will not do practical questions, you will not confirm the how to solve the question. So let's start. But before starting the question, let me tell few key points. First is every transaction has at least two effect. Second, profit will be added to capital and loss will be deducted from the capital. Third one, only transaction of current year will be considered. Basic account. Fourth, the term is basic accounting question. Assets is equal to liability plus capital. Okay, let's start with the question. Is given here. First question I will tell you how to do. Okay, let's start. First I will read the first transaction. So first transaction is saying first start there transaction. Okay, transaction assets equal to liability plus capital plus में creditor. Assets, the three assets is given: cash, stock, and third one is debtor. So let's start with the first question. First question is commence business with cash 50,000. Mean to say he started with the business 50,000. So started business with cash. So what will we will add here 50,000 in the cash, as well as we will add into the 50,000 capital. Okay, so next we will go with the next one is purchase for business for cash, furniture 2,000 and goods 20,000. So here next they are using for the business. So next what purchase furniture for 2,000. It's called narration. And goods for 20,000. So let me tell you the thing. What will be the effect for this? We will their total transaction is 20 plus 2, 22,000. Okay, then 22 amount will be deducted from the cash, and 20,000 will be added to stock, and there will no effect on the liability side. Okay, 20,000 stock, 20,000 stock, and it will not be furniture, it will be data, it will be furniture. Okay, furniture. So furniture will be added in by 2,000. So new equation will be, we will minus the cash, it will be 28,000. Here we will new equation equation. Okay, plus 20,000 stock plus 2,000 this, and there will be all the 50,000. Next, third one is rent paid 400. You can see in question. So there will be two effects in accounting equation. First up, because cash is going out, so it will be deducted from cash as well as capital. So 400 is deducted from the cash and as well as capital. The new equation will be 27,600, and this is the new equation. Next one is purchase goods from Bunty. So let me tell you, friends, if we purchase from some person, mean if there is only name, not any anything about the cash, so we will consider it as a credit transaction. So in this case, we will got a creditor here. We will got a creditor. Purchase goods from creditor. Okay. So we will got a creditor. So the equation will be passed. Purchase goods on credit. Stock will be added by 3,000, and in liability side 3,000 will be added to creditor as a creditor. So new equation will be same as here, but the difference will be 3,000 creditor and 23,000 will be stock. So next and fifth one, good costing 2,000 will sold had sold 3,000 for cash. There is a two sides. 1,000 will be 3,000 will be added to the 3,000 will be added to the cash. 3,000 will be added to the cash, and because 2,000 good costing minus here will be minus. Okay, so this will be 0 because 2,000 that like this. Okay, now fine. So 2,000 will be deducted from the stock, and 3,000 will be added cash, 1,000 will be added into liability. So new equation is here. You can see we can add all. Totaling will be, if we will do totaling, the both assets and liabilities is equal 53,600 equal. So this was the first question. Let me tell you second question. So in this case, in this question, this is serial number, transaction, section, transaction, assets. There will be cash plus stock plus debtor plus prepaid investment. Okay, last here liability plus capital. Okay, and there is a creditor also, capital and creditor. Okay, so let's start with first transaction. Started with that cash. That started business with cash 2,50,000 and goods 20,000. So we will write here 2,50,000 plus stock 20,000. So here total will be added 2,70,000 the capital. Second, purchase good for cash. Purchase goods for cash 90,000. Okay, so if goods will be purchased, then cash will be deducted 90,000 and 90 will be added. 90,000 will be added into the stock. So 0, 0, 0, 0. New equation New equation will be 1,60,000 plus 90,000 2,70,000. Third one is sold goods on credit, costing itna 32,000, costing goods sold it 150,000. So there is a profit. So sold goods. Friends, I am not writing here cash cost 32 on 50,000. Okay, so there is a profit of 18,000 we can see, but we got a debtor here. Okay, so let me 32,000 stock will be plus stock 50,000 debtor. Okay, and 18,000 will be added to capital. New equation here we can see 1,60,000 plus 1,60,000 20. There's a mistake. 1,10,000 minus this, so it will become 78,000 plus 50,000 0. It will be 288,000. Fourth one, salary paid. Salaries paid 8,000. 8,000 will be deducted and 8,000 will be deducted. This will be the 0,0,0,0. Okay, so this will be the, so it will be 812,000, 78,000, 50,000, and 280,000. Okay, new equation. Fifth, prepaid insurance. So prepaid insurance 100 will be deducted from the cash, and there will be an entry. You can see above prepaid expense. I have wrote already. So, and 500 will be deducted from the cash. So 0,0,151,000,578 50,000 500 280 0. New equation, you can see new equation. Okay, camera has been adjusted actually. So new equation 6. Last one is salary outstanding. So if there is salary outstanding, so salary outstanding 2,000, salary OUT. Okay, so there will be no any entry. 2,000 will be deducted from the here, and 2,000 will be OUT salary. We can say not create OUT salary or outstanding salary. so this is the 151,000, 78,000, 50,000, 500, and 278002000. So this was the second question. You can see, friends. Thank you for watching video. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you, and comment on our video if you have any doubt.